came to check my local ollies because I seen some people catching the white lightning of this one, and they got some pretty cool cars here today, and they got some cool majorettes I ain't seen at their store normally, which is pretty neat. So check out your ollies, man. Might find some cool shit there. Maybe my white lightning or two. Good luck to you guys, man. Turn it on real quick just to give you another look. So we created the last rummage. Check this one out. You got your Nissan GTR Nismo. That's fire, dude. $399. Yeah.
Sorry. That's you. What? Yeah, choice.
Esto dice que hay 517 y nada más hubo 140.
¿Y eso por ahí? ¿Tienes todo?
Very nice. Very, very, very nice. Very nice. Making money off these Hot Wheels.
$40. All right.
$40. You got that shit? Do you hear him right there? He's just scalping his ass off. That's funny. Well, guys, we've seen them all. There's your MKs. He ain't getting nothing. And that's a JK too. We ain't found this treasure yet. We will, though. We will, my man. Yeah, that's all we got. They got a new M2 diorama set. This would be your chase. Huh. Pretty neat. I'm definitely going to pick one of these up for just for the characters alone. I think it's pretty dope. And you get your Ford Bronco, your 76 with your sharp little water scene action. Okay, girl, I see how you doing it. Y'all flexing. And then my boy just getting it. Okay, pretty sharp. Oh, that's a nice one there. Man, look at that one. Your Super 30 Chevy Cheyenne, that's clean. Ooh. That is clean. I like that. I like that. I like like that. But we're gonna leave it. It's a dually too. Yeah, they're supposed to be a dually tires. Oh, they are. Look, you see them? Kinda, barely, dually. Sharp. That's it. And they got the Nova. I'm definitely gotta pick up some of these characters. Just for the characters. Yeah, man, I'm out of here. Oh, you know what I did find out? Some remnants of L case. Ain't nothing really here. If there's anything that you want me to stop and show you, just let me know. But yeah, I thought it was strange. I didn't see if there's any more cars out here, but that's the L case. So I don't see anything else on the shelves that say L case. And we already went through these. So I gotta see what I find, my friends. I'll be back. Box. Let me see real quick. Let's see what they got in here. No, there's anything good in here, bro. This is all weak trash. Garbage. Clearly late for that party. Target's next. Well, made it to Target, and first thing we see is this dud muffin. We still haven't found a super for this one, but this would be your end case, and this is the end case. This is your end case dud right here. Nice, very nice. Very, very nice. This is your end case. What would be super? We've already seen some of these, but I'll show you. We're definitely late to this party also. This Jag is nice. I hear this is gonna be a Zaymac coming up. Very nice. So, I mean, you know, we got a couple of cars on the pegs. Nothing that we need, eh? Alright, let's see what else we got. Let's quick hit run. But again, so for you guys that don't know what you're looking for, check out the channels, but this would be actual like a Spectre Flame Pink, and this would be your super treasure hunt for the end case. And it comes with a treasure hunt as well, but we don't know what that is yet. And on Rock and Roll, normally you would see a gold flame there at the bottom. Just check out one of my past videos that show about a super, you can see it in there. Same thing with this one. This is from the previous case. This would be your super treasure hunt for the previous case, also called the main line, which what we call a dud. So happy hunting, keep on the search, and we are out of here. Just looking around real quick. I thought this was pretty neat. I haven't seen the Porsche yet. Oh wow. 2-in-1, so you get the Porsche car there. And the turbo with the fin on it, which is pretty cool. Huh. Super sharp. Enjoy that.